Welcome to Algebra 2. This lesson is 1RF, multiply polynomials. The essential question is, how will you multiply polynomials and why did you choose this method? So let's begin. The first method of multiplying polynomials I'm going to teach you is using a box. So how to use this box? Well, I got x plus 8 times x plus 7, two binomials, and I'm going to put the binomials on the sides of the box. So I'm going to put the left one on the top. So x and 8 is going to be x on this one and 8 right here. For the rows, I'm going to put the other binomial. So I'm going to put x right here and positive 7 right here. And I want to multiply each column by each row. So what I mean is x times x, x squared. 8 times x is 8x. X times 7 is going to be 7x in this box. And 8 times 7 is going to be 56 in this box. After we multiply, I want to combine like terms. The like terms are going to be in these diagonals. So x squared has no like terms, that's just x squared. 8x plus 7x is going to come out and be 15x. And 56 has no like term friends, so it's going to be just 56. So all these terms that came out are going to total up to x squared plus 15x plus 56. And there's your answer for the multiplied out binomials. Let's try it with a different method. We're going to call this using the distributive property, or FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. What I mean by this, we don't have to draw a box here. So multiplying the first terms first. So x times x is going to be x squared. The next terms, the outer terms, are going to be x times 7. It's going to be plus 7x. Inner terms are 8 times x. So 8 times x is going to be 8x. And then the last terms are going to be 8 times 7, which is going to be 56. Now combining like terms here, 7x and 8x combine. So your final answer is x squared plus 15x plus 56. And this is the same answer we got last time. So both methods work. You can choose either one. Now we're going to do a little bit more complicated ones. I'm going to use box method for the rest of these. So multiplying a trinomial times a trinomial, I'm setting it up the same way. I got a 3 by 3 box. And so set this up to x squared plus 3x plus 1. And this will be x squared minus 5x plus 2. So after setting this up, I want to multiply columns and rows. This will be x to the 4th. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 1 times x squared is x squared. X squared times negative 5x is negative 5x cubed. 3x times negative 5x is negative 15x squared. And 1 times negative 5x is negative 5x. The last row, x squared times 2 is 2x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. And 1 times 2 is going to be 2. So combining the diagonals again, x to the 4th is by itself, so x to the 4th. Down this diagonal, we have 3 minus 5 is going to be negative 2x cubed. Down this diagonal, we have a 2 minus 15 is negative 13, plus 1 is going to be negative 12x squared. 6x minus 5x will be 1x, or just x. And this 2 comes out by itself to be positive 2. So combining everything that came out, I am going to have a final answer of x to the 4th minus 2x cubed minus 12x squared plus x plus 2. And that's your answer. Let's do one more. So this one, binomial times a trinomial, but notice on that binomial a term's missing. So I'm going to rewrite this in this case. I want to actually put this in here. So I'm going to write it as x squared plus 0x minus 2. So I'm going to put that missing x term there because if I'm following the pattern here, I'm missing it. So this is how it works out in my box. On the top, I'm going to put this, so we're scribbling this out. I'm going to put this trinomial, so it'll be x squared plus 3x plus 1. And on the right, I'm going to go x squared plus 0x and then minus 2. So multiplying the columns and rows again. X squared times x squared is going to be x to the 4th. 3x times x squared is going to be 3x cubed. 1 times x squared is x squared. X squared times 0, this whole row is going to be 0. Because anything times 0 is 0. And x squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So adding up, combining like terms on the columns, or on the diagonals, x to the 4th here. This one's going to be 3x cubed and nothing, so 3x cubed. This one is going to be 1x squared minus 2x squared is going to be negative 1x squared. 0 minus 6x is going to be negative 6x. And negative 2 is going to come out to negative 2. So combining everything we just took out there, our final answer is going to be x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus x squared minus 6x minus 2. And that's our final answer. All right, that's it. We're going to start with this in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.